Do you have any reason to believe that he wants to hurt you guys?
Yeah, because he's drunk.
Okay. How sure are you that you heard a gunshot?
100% sure.
Okay, what kind of guns does this guy have?
I don't know.
Have you guys ever seen him with a firearm?
I think it was a handgun.
Okay, have you ever seen him with a firearm?
Yeah, a handgun.
A handgun? What color? Like silver, black, or revolver?
Yeah, silver. Okay.
How many people are left in the home?
There's 6 in the home.
And they're all in different rooms?
There's 2 in one room, 2 in another.
And
then Brad and his brother, I don't know where they are.
Okay.
There's a car coming in hot.
Stopping.
Car coming in hot.
Let me see this.
He's not stopping at the house, is he?
Yep.
It's like an Uber.
It's coming.
Get them, they failed to stop for me. Lift right over.
We got movement coming out. Door opening.
You behind me?
What's that?
You got comms?
Let's give her some commands. Get in the car and stop the car.
Is it the same?
You sitting down?
Sitting down. Okay.
That's the description.
9094. Can you ask her who just came out? Black hoodie, tan pants.
Oh,
He's got a firearm.
So we just got the firearm.
Is that shooting at the Uber or who's shooting at?
I don't know.
I'm green.
290.
I got green.
Just probably one shot.
He's on his phone.
You guys take cover responsible. I have 1 shot.
Who's in the car? Are they hit?
Fired up in the air, I think. Yeah, he did.
Fight in the air.
He correct.
Across the street.
90.
Go for it.
From where you guys are at. Probably basically eyes on that vehicle that just left.
You guys keep eyes. I got eyes. I'm green on him.
Concern at this point. Or him making it back to 7
Yep.
Can you see him?
Keep eyes on the vehicle that just pulled up.
I can't see him.
I got him. I still want him to go towards that car or shoot the car.
Yep, copy that.
Can you see the gun?
I can't see it right now, but he's got something in his hands.
Should we give him
Control. Stand by.
290.
We're going to need some more manpower. Start a riverbank unit as well.
He's got a gun in his hand.
Okay.
Good. Reloading. Reloading. Reloading.
Take care of what you got to do, dude.
Yeah, let him back in the
I'm
house.
not sure where.
I'll take you 1 just me.
He's going back in the house. He's waving it around.
Do it.
Shots fired. He's pointing towards the house.
Control 687, shot fired.
Contact team. You ready to move? He's down. But gun's still in his hand.
Yeah, he's down. He's down.
Keep pulling. Hey, put your hands up! Alright, hey, let's move this guy up. Let's get an IFAC up here so we can get this guy aid.
Yep.
Let's go. Push it up. Push it up. Pin him with the shield.
Where's the firearm?
It's alright, just pin him with the shield.
Underneath.
It's alright, pin him with the shield. Pin him. Now get his arms up. Yeah, behind him.
I'm trying to. I got one.
I got cover. Get in there. Get medical.
I got one arm.
We got his other arm. Alright, we're good.
Get that
Show us your hands. Get over here.
You're good. Where's the firearm? I think it's in his waistband. Put your pocket.
Here, roll him on his back.
Stay in the house. Get back.
Right there. Get that firearm out.
This is drone footage from the Sirius Police Department showing deputies recovering the handgun that was under the subject.